of the NOAA Weather Radio Phone Alert is conducted each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon. If no severe weather is in the area, the National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Travis County, Northeastern Blanco County, South Central Burnet County, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Smithwick, or 11 miles south of Bertram, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lakeway, Lago Vista, Hudson Bend, The Hills, Spicewood, Cypress Mill, Smithwick, Jonestown, Briarcliff, and Point Venture. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The tropical weather outlook. For the